Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to backup WhatsApp on Samsung S25 Ultra. Let's begin. Now, in order to save your chat history, you first need to go to WhatsApp, click those three dots in upper right corner, and click Settings. Here you can find Chats, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see the chat backup. Keep in mind that you will need a Google account for this, and you can choose one right here. But when I click backup, nothing really happens, because as you can see, the last backup was never, even though I clicked just before. In order to fix that, we simply click frequency, and we can set here to, for example, have our chat backup automatically every week, or every month, or every day. For me, I only want to backup it when I click backup button. So now, when I click the backup button, we can see that it's now loading our backup and uploading it to the cloud. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.